The journey of Hajj, a step-by-step spiritual journey. Bismillah. Every year millions of Muslims from all corners of the world gather in the holy land of Makkah, answering the timeless call of Prophet Ibrahim, peace be upon him. This sacred pilgrimage, known as Hajj, is not just a physical journey but a spiritual transformation. 1. Ihram, the state of purity. The journey begins with entering the state of Ihram, a spiritual and physical preparation. Men wear 2 white unstitched cloths, women wear modest dress. With the niyyah, intention made, and talbiyah on their lips, labbaika Allahumma labbaik, pilgrims declare their readiness to surrender to Allah. 2. Arrival in Makkah, Tawaf. Upon reaching Makkah, the first ritual is Tawaf, circumambulating the Kaaba 7 times, reflecting unity, submission, and devotion. Pilgrims feel the heartbeat of Islam as they walk in the footsteps of the Prophet Muhammad Sallam. Sa'i, running between Safa and Marwa. Next they perform Sa'i, walking between the hills of Safa and Marwa, commemorating the desperate search of Hajar, peace be upon her, for water for her son Ismail. It is a symbol of patience, trust, and divine mercy. 4. Mina, the tent city. On the 8th of Dhul Hijjah, pilgrims travel to Mina, a valley outside Makkah. Here, in thousands of white tents, they spend the day and night in prayer, reflection, and unity, preparing their hearts for the most sacred day to come. 5. Arafat, the day of standing. On the 9th, they journey to Arafat. This is the climax of Hajj. From noon until sunset, pilgrims stand in humility, praying and begging for forgiveness. It is said that no other day sees more people freed from hellfire. This is the heart of Hajj. 6. Muzdalifah, under the open sky. As the sun sets, pilgrims move to Muzdalifah. They sleep under the stars, gathering pebbles for the next ritual. It is a night of peace, unity, and submission, reminding us of the day of judgment. 7. Rami, stoning the devil. Back in Mina, pilgrims perform Rami, stoning the pillars that represent Shaitan. It is a symbol of rejecting evil, temptation, and everything that distances us from Allah. 8. Qurbani, the sacrifice. Then they offer qurbani, sacrificing an animal, reviving the legacy of Prophet Ibrahim's unwavering obedience to Allah. The meat is distributed to the poor, a reminder of compassion and charity. 9. Tawaf al-Ifada and hair cutting. Pilgrims return to Makkah for Tawaf al-Ifada, a central rite of Hajj, followed by halq or taksir, shaving or trimming the hair, signifying renewal and humility. 10. The final days in Mina. Pilgrims return to Mina for 2 or 3 more days, continuing the stoning ritual, reflecting on their journey and deepening their bond with their Creator. 11. Farewell Tawaf, a tearful goodbye. Before leaving Makkah, pilgrims perform the final Tawaf al-Wada, a heartfelt farewell to the house of Allah, filled with prayers, gratitude, and tears. And thus the journey ends, but the transformation remains. Hajj is not just an event, it is a rebirth, a call to live with purpose, purity, and piety. May Allah accept the Hajj of all pilgrims and grant us all the honor to visit His house.